virus is very harmful and India's situation is deteriorating day by day.
Excellent.
And is a grave concern.
It is a grave concern. Very nice. Coronavirus poses a grave threat. Poses a great threat to India.
Now, sir, shall I speak?
Yes.
So now about more than 62,000 new mutations of COVID-19 cases have been found, and it is said that coronavirus is soaring day by day, and now that it is said in today news that Sachin Tendulkar has been found corona positive.
My God, such a grim news. Tendulkar has been found corona positive. Okay.
Yes, sir, and it's a grave concern.
Yes.
Yes, sir, that and Sachin Tendulkar has been quarantined in his home, and it is said, and so he said that in my other family members have been also tested for COVID-19,
Yes.
but their reports are negative.
Okay. Their reports are negative.
But
Touch wood.
Sachin Tendulkar has been found. Unfortunately, Sachin Tendulkar has been found corona positive, and I feel so bad today.
Yeah. We all are die-hard fan of Sachin Tendulkar.
And he is from a cricket fraternity.
Very good. He's from a cricketing or sports fraternity. We all feel sorry for him.
And
We all stand by him.
And he is my favorite.
Yeah. Same way, I'm also his die-hard fan.
He is
I'm
my
also.
favorite cricketer, but
True.
unfortunately he has been found corona positive.
Yes.
And now, sir, it is being said that we have to.
So we need to be on our toes. We have to put our best foot forward to combat coronavirus. Yes.
Cases are soaring day by day.
True. Cases are soaring day by day. And yes.
Sir, Sri Lanka has received 2 lakh doses from Russia.
Very good.
The corona vaccine name is
Sputnik 5 we call it.
Sputnik 5 corona vaccine.
Yes.
And sir, India.
Say that again.
The Harshvardhan says the vaccination is going on in a full-fledged way.
Very good. In a very swift way, in a full-fledged way, vaccination is being done. I believe 6 crore people approx have been vaccinated. So far they have been jabbed, they have been inoculated, and vaccination drive is underway as of now.
And so day by day, corona cases are touching sky high.
True.
And so in Maharashtra.
But we should not press the panic button. However, we shouldn't be complacent. Complacent means overconfident. We shouldn't be complacent, but we should put our best foot forward to combat it. We should fight it at a war front level. At a war front level. We should fight it with tooth and nail. We should fight it. True.
Coronavirus has changed many people's life.
Very good.
Now people are in roads and they are facing bad time.
Yes. People are going through a bad note.
Bad note.
Yes.
We should help people.
Yes, we should help people.
So coronavirus is a grave threat.
Yes, it's a grave threat.
Sir, we should fight. This pandemic with tooth and nail.
Very good. We should fight this pandemic tooth and nail. Okay.
And sir, lockdown is imposed in Maharashtra
Yes.
and Mumbai
Yes, it has been imposed in Maharashtra.
because day by day corona cases are soaring in Maharashtra and Mumbai.
True.
Lockdown have knocking at the door.
Lockdown is
Knocking at the door. Or India, and people don't wearing the mask.
people don't wear the mask.
And maintain social distancing.
Very good. They get complacent.
They get complacent.
Hmm.
And
True.
India situation are very grim.
Very good. India's situation is very grim, unfortunately.
People very complacent.
People are very
People are very
complacent, unfortunately.
Unfortunately.
Hmm.
Coronavirus is contagious disease.
It is a contagious disease.
And one infected person मतलब transfer the another person.
Yes, one infected person can transfer this disease to another person as it is highly contagious disease. We should be cautious about it. Yes. Anything else from your end? Anything about coronavirus?
Yes, sir. It has become a grave concern, and now.
Speak loudly.
It is touching sky high day by day.
True.
And now Lord Amir Khan has been also found corona positive.
True.
And our new chief minister of our Uttarakhand has been
What is his name? Tirath Singh Rawat has been diagnosed with corona positive. And even ex-chief minister Harish Singh Rawat, he has been diagnosed with corona positive. Okay. But there is a ray of hope. People are being inoculated. People are being vaccinated. So there is a ray of hope.
Always on our toes.
We should stay on our toes.
Because coronavirus is very contagious,
Very good.
and day by day corona cases are soaring.
We are supposed to take so much precautions, how much we can take, and we should put our best foot forward to contain coronavirus.
Yes,
and
there is your voice. We should put our best foot forward to contain.
coronavirus.
Hmm.
And
Sir, we are leaving no stone unturned to contain this menace.
Yes, we must leave no stone unturned to contain this menace.
And sir, now our new chief minister Tirath Singh Rawat, he has also being found corona positive. He has also been quarantined in his home. So now we should wear mask. We should wear mask every time and maintain social distance. And we
True.
And especially think that we should not shake hands to
With each other. True. And we should not cough in public, or if we cough, at least we should put hands in front of our mouth. We should try to wear mask. We should sanitize. We should wash our hands every now and then.
And sir, we maintain social distance.
Yes, it's a need of an hour. Second stuff, as update you were talking about, Maharashtra night curfew has been imposed, and all the malls, all the markets would stay shut from 8 o'clock or 9 p.m. in the evening. They would stay shut till morning 7 a.m., 8 a.m. Would it take toll on the general people? Yes, it will take toll on general people. It would bury a hole in common people's pocket. Common people would bear the brunt of this lockdown. Ministers, they may not pay. Who would bear the brunt? Common people like you and me. We would bear the brunt. And now onus is on us. Jimmedari hamari hai. Onus is on us. We maintain social distancing, and we wear mask, and we should leave no stone unturned to contain this menace. Thank you.